Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a new TA, the new 5-minute turbo TA. So we will start it now. Let's go. So today, a really quick TA for Bitcoin, 5 minutes only. This is the big time frame and we see, maybe it's possible to see a shoulder, a head and a shoulder. That's enough for the big time frame. Let's watch the 1 hour time frame. What's going on? And yesterday we saw this picture here. Look at this, guys, here. We saw here a really nice pump to the upside, but we can't reach here this. Nice resistance. Yes, it's a red one. We saw a downgoing Bitcoin again, and now the big question is, where is the next target? So let's watch. Maybe we are watching this one like this one here, or maybe we are watching this one like this one here. What can we see on the downside? It was a perfect hit. It was a perfect hit to the support line here to the downside. And now we can see Bitcoin is reacting really nice on this support line and it's going up again. Let's check the next thing. Let's check the MACD on the 1 hour time frame. And I think the MACD is here for the moment still bearish. But guys, look at this. Maybe we will see a cross here soon. Maybe we'll see the blue line over the brown line soon. You can see these candles here are going back. We can see that the volume is going back a little bit at the MACD. And maybe we can watch here a nice reversal from the downside once again to the upside to this point. This would be really nice. This would be possible. So it was a really nice buy position here on the downside, and it was here a price about 45,400. Now the big question is, and that's the big thing, guys, the weekend is coming. So ladies and gentlemen, attention. The weekend is for the most time bloody, and maybe we're going down more and more here, but this would be the next trade to the 49,500, to the next big resistance if we are watching this one here on the 1 hour time frame. If we are watching this one with the Fibonacci retracement, today a ultra turbo update, I promised. We have to watch now the next things. Let's zoom in a little bit more and you can see what I mean. We have to watch, first of all, this one here. This is the Fibonacci line, 48,000, 0.236. And if we can break out here, it's not looking really nice for the moment, but if we can break out, we have the next target on the upside, 52,000. It's a 0.382 Fibonacci line. And now you can see we are building here a bottom once, twice, 3 times. 3 times we are building maybe now the bottom. And if we're looking at the last pattern here, this one here, look at this. We saw a downgoing price again. We saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottoms, and after this a nice pump to the upside. Maybe we can see this here also. Maybe we can see here also some bottoms and then the upside, the move to the upside. But attention guys, it's really dangerous now for the moment. And if we will lose this line on the downside, if we lose 45,400, bam, it may go down here more and more. Let's check. 5 minutes are not over now. Let's check now this one on the greater time frame. Let's check the 4 hour time frame before we end this video. On the 4 hour time frame, we have here these things to watch. Sorry, this one here. So let's zoom in a little bit more. We can see the MACD is still bearish. We saw here a bearish cross here on this point. We are going down. We are building more and more red candles. This is not nice, but we have to watch one thing. We have to watch here the bigger time frame and we have to watch this line here. This line is a big resistance at the higher time frame, at the 4 hour time frame. And you can see it should be a red one, Biti, not a green one, like this one here. And you can see we are going here down with this trend line. And the big question is if we can break over this first red here, over this one, over 49,500, we have here the next point to watch. Depends always where we hit the line, but maybe on 50,000. So a lot of resistance here, a lot of resistance over our head. And if you're watching the ribbon band before the 5 minutes are over, we can see this one here, EMA ribbon band. And you can see, yes, here is so much resistance. Ribbon band is here, this line, EMA 200, and. Can we build the bottom here? It's possible, but for the moment, it's not looking really nice. We need to see a crossing MACD here. We need to see a crossing for the blue line over the brown line. And guys, we have 20 seconds. One thing on the one day we have to watch, remove all drawings. Let's zoom out, remove the ribbon band, and let's check one thing. Last thing we will check is the Ichimoku for today, because the blue line is the big thing what we watched yesterday, and you can see it here Yesterday, I told you guys we need to hold the blue line as a support. With this one, no, we couldn't hold it. We are now back again under the blue line. And this is ultra bearish. So guys, if you are trading this one, attention. We are maybe on the downside, yes, but it's really dangerous for the moment. 5 minutes are over. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And guys, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Bye-bye.
System activated.